All right, let's take a look at this guy. These are looking okay. Um, yeah, I mean, this is pretty well modeled. I'm wondering if you're going to connect the hands to there. I sent you a whole video. If you check your mail inbox, I showed how to connect the hands to the arms. If that's what you want to do, if that is not what you want to do, you could just kind of make this narrow and sort of tuck it in there. So this edge loop, you kind of scale that down and then extrude it further into the arm so that it looks like it's sort of an arm coming out of a shirt. But if you want it to be kind of one continuous seamless thing, I have a video that I sent you, which is in your inbox. So just check your mail inbox for that. I still don't understand. I don't know if you're reading my critiques, but I said over and over again in the critique and the design that you do not want them leaning forward like this. Let me show you, maybe because maybe you'll watch the videos. Um, I think every version of this I said that. So here's the final revision of the character. And here it is. And right now he is leaning forward. The character should be straight up and down from the side view for modeling. Right now he is leaning forward. And then if we go back to discussion, and archive topics and these revisions here, and the side view seems to be leaning forward but should be more straight up and down. Okay, and then if I go back here and archive topics and back to the first one, um, the side view seems to be leaning forward, but should be more straight up and down. So I've said this to you 3 times, and you didn't change it in your drawing, and then now we have a model that's. I mean, it's not technically impossible to rig it like that, but that's not how you want your character as its starting position for the rig, already leaning forward. You want it to be straight up and down. I don't know. But I mean, the shapes are pretty good. I might give it a little bit more here. Give them a little more mass here, maybe. Um, yeah, but mostly it's good. The hand's a bit simplified. I think you could, kind of pull out some of these points. Maybe if I go to surfaces, sculpt geometry tool options, hold down B, click and drag. Let's turn off the reflection here. I'm just going to kind of smooth that. I have the smooth option, which is this one here, just to kind of, and then to pull these out, I'm going to maybe not those. W for move, hold down W, axis, normal, which I can also get here by double clicking on the move tool and axis, normal, and then kind of B for soft select, maybe make that a little smaller, hold down B, click and drag, pull on the end, and I can kind of fatten that up. See that? Anyways, go in there, and the point of the story is to sculpt the hand and give it more shape. Um, And yeah, check the video for connecting the hand. And the hand answers your other question. That video that I was mentioning, which is what should I do with the number of simplification edges to be your triangle? So you're going to loop them back in on themselves, right? And that's what I show in the video. I don't necessarily want to redo it here, but mesh tools, multi-cut tool, and was it like this? I don't know. Like that. enter, and then this, and then turn off soft select, delete edge, right? So what happens is the face loop kind of loops back on itself, and then you don't have triangles, and you've simplified it, right? There are now less um, edges, along there. So you do that all the way around. But again, I've sent you a video on that, so just look at your mail inbox and you'll find that how to do that all the way around and get it matched up to the number of the arm, and then you can connect those if that is what you like to do.